To be a quick tutorial on how to sign up for Canva. You're going to go to www.canva.com, and when you click enter, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. You can log in with your Gmail account, you can log in with Facebook, or you can continue and sign up with a different email. There are other ways as well that you can do this. I am already signed into my account, but after you click sign in, you should see a screen that looks like this. Today we're just going to learn how to go and look at create. So you're going to click up here to create. And if you notice, there are lots of different templates that you can use. Now some of these are for pro, and if you see the little crown with the pro there, you can't use those on a free account, but all the rest of them are free for you to use. And there are lots and lots and lots. So play around with that a little bit more today, and then join me on my next video, and we're going to start a design. We're going to take it easy, slowly, step by step, but I just wanted a place where you could learn how to do it in very simple terms. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe and hit that bell, and it'll notify you when I post a new video. Thank you.